Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to use the kill switch feature in NordVPN. This feature protects your privacy by automatically blocking internet access if your VPN connection drops. Let's get started. The NordVPN kill switch is an important safety feature that disconnects your device from the internet if the VPN connection drops. This stops unsecured browsing and prevents data leaks. It works as an emergency backup, keeping your IP address and online activity safe behind encryption. The purpose of this tool in NordVPN is to protect your privacy if the VPN connection suddenly drops. It blocks your internet traffic until the VPN reconnects, so your real IP address and data are not exposed. This keeps your security continuous, especially when using public Wi-Fi or if your connection is unstable. Now, we will show you how to set up your kill switch in NordVPN. First, open your NordVPN application. Make sure you are logged in as a premium user. To find the kill switch in NordVPN, go to the lower left part of the app. Here, you will see the settings. Click Settings, and you will see options like General, Account, Connections, Security, Kill Switch, Split Tunneling, and others. Go to Kill Switch. Click the kill switch. You will see two types of kill switch, the Internet kill switch and the app kill switch. The Internet kill switch blocks all internet traffic when you are not connected to the VPN. The app kill switch blocks selected apps when you are not connected to the VPN. To use either one, just click on. This feature is also available on phones. You can also select the apps you want to protect with the app kill switch. That's how you use the kill switch feature in NordVPN. This tool makes sure your internet connection is blocked if the VPN disconnects. This keeps your data private at all times. Always keep the kill switch enabled, especially when handling sensitive information or using public Wi-Fi.